Okay, y'all, so listen. I was sitting here doing a hair style tutorial, and I'm explaining, I'm like, hey, you know, make sure your hair is detangled, blah, blah, blah. And as I was showing the tutorial, you know, I'm like, yeah, you see my hair is detangled and blah, blah, blah. I'm doing it, and I'm like, wait, my hands are still going. They still going. They still, ow! So guess who's at hip length? My hair has never been this long, ever. So if you needed a reminder to get on your handle and get the growth training guide, this is it. Go to www.justforblackgirls.com/shop so you can also grow 1 inch plus of hair per month, so that you can also achieve your hair goals, so that you can also get the recipes that will help you achieve your hair goals. Okay? I'm not kidding. I'm not lying. You see it. This ain't no camera trick. This ain't no AI. This is real life. Do you see this? This is real life. This is me, real life, achieving my hair goals with the stuff that I'm putting on the channel. That we put out there. Don't ever say that we didn't put y'all on, that we're not telling y'all what to do. Because we're telling you what to do. Get the growth training guide. It's on sale. And as always, if you don't have the coins for the growth training guide, at the very least, do the protein treatment that's on the channel every month. And last but not least,
my best friend who I run my store with and I run our direct mutual aid project through our shop. That means a portion of all of our sales are donated to Black women and their families in need, particularly those who are facing homelessness and food insecurity. So if you would like to support our cause, please consider shopping my Growth Training 101 guide or the other books we have on our site. You can also, I'm demonstrating here, view the families and cases and see updates on the families we help on my Instagram page, where I use my platform to bring awareness to the situations they're in and help to raise additional funds. Yes, if you would like to support our cause, you can shop the Growth Training 101 guide or the other books we have on our site. The second book is a book that teaches you how to monetize your social media from a small following. And the other book is a poetry book written by my best friend Sierra, which is a collection of poems about a Black woman finding joy in an anti-Black world. You can also leave a donation for our project at Just for Black Girls on PayPal. And of course, if you do not have the funds to donate, going to my Instagram page and our TikTok, where we raise funds for these families, interacting there, and even sharing this video, leaving a long comment, hyping it up, and sharing the news about what we do helps significantly. Thank you so much in advance for any way you decide to support, and God bless you all and your family.